Okay, my friends, today on the channel we're talking about interior detailer, the best product to clean your interior in an all-in-one solution. I have a CarPro and Gion killer today to present to you. This is Armour Detail Pilot, the best cleaner for the interior in my experience in 2024. So what makes a good interior detailer? We'll go through that. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay, so for today, I have let my interior get dirty for about 3 to 4 weeks, which is an exception in my case, to test out Armour Detail Pilot. What is an interior detailer? It's a product for you to clean your interior on a weekly or a monthly basis. If you let your car dirty for more than 3 to 6 months, this is not going to be the cleaner for you. You're gonna wanna reach for something like CarPro Inside or an APC, some type of degreaser type made for the inside of the car, all right? So today we're talking for those who are car enthusiasts who maintain their car. So what makes a great interior detailer or a great interior product? First off, if we want to maintain our interior, we're going to want to look for a product that cleans leather, not only cleans, but bring back the OEM finish. Next, I want to clean my glossy trims. Nowadays, we have a lot of glossy trims in the cars, so that's very important. After that, I want a product that I can use on a weekly or maybe a monthly basis. I'm not gonna have to worry about damaging or stripping off the clear coat on my leather or on my plastic. I want a product that I can wipe off my interior all the time, right? After that, I don't want a silicone or dyes in my interior. I don't want to add shininess or darkening effect in my interior. Since it's well maintained, it doesn't need any darkening effect or a filling effect on my plastic or any material for that matter. After that, what I want from my interior product, my favorite interior product, is a good smelling product. I don't want to upset the smelling or the scent of my interior, but I want something that is pleasant to use nonetheless. Since I'm gonna use it on a weekly basis and I'm gonna pay a premium price, I want something that smells good, right? So that's pretty much it. Cleaning power, safety on materials, can be used on a weekly basis, smells good, and no added greasy finish. Now, if you're regular to the channel, you know that I'm already a big fan of interior detailer in general. So you know that I like the Gion interior detailer and the CarPro Inner QD, both excellent products. So those products are nice, they smell good, they work great, but they have limitation when it comes to leather cleaning. So my question today is, ADS Pilot can do better than CarPro and Gion when it comes to interior wipe off? Is this product gonna clean my leather to my standard? Is this gonna bring the factory finish on every material and on my steering wheel and my leather seats? Well, I hope you guys are ready because I have a great test for you. We're gonna test out this product on my interior. But before we do that, I want you to have a good look at the product. So we have a really nice label, a great tinted bottle. We have real clear recommendation and instruction on the product. You have a quality sprayer right here, and those have been recommended on my channel quite a bit. And you have an excellent smelling product, guys. This thing is out of this world. Again, ADS has really worked hard on their scent. You can trust this brand when it comes to scents. I have been blown away with the scents of all of those products. All right, so I hope you guys are ready. Let's move the camera. I'll show you how this product works on the inside. This has been not maintained for 3 to 4 weeks. I let this get dirty on purpose to make this video, all right? So we're gonna do a 50-50 or a before and after. I'm gonna clean here and leave the rest unclean, and we'll pull the tape for you. So we're gonna use the color lock brush, which is a dedicated leather brush with the product, and make sure we don't go over the line here. Couple spray. So like I mentioned, this is more than a quick detailer in my book. It has some actual cleaning power for leather and heavier dirt. Try to not have overspray. You can use a towel like this, put it over your screens. The fact that you let it dwell at the same time works. Not too long, obviously, but this is really a safe product, okay? No worries here. So I don't see dirt in my towel since this is only like 3 to 4 weeks of daily driving, but the steering wheel is really dirty. I usually maintain this on a weekly basis. I don't like to have a greasy steering wheel. Obviously, the steering wheel in a car, it's like your phone, right? It's gonna be the most dirty thing. It's always your hands are touching it. So as you can see, there's a clear difference. It looks more natural up top. So here is more natural. Over here is more greasy. Pretty clear, right? Pretty obvious. All right, I'm gonna put the tape right in the middle. So I'm not using a scrub pad just to make sure that the product gets the credit, okay? So I'm gonna wipe this off and pull you in. By the way guys, if you need a new interior product for your car or you want to try something new, I have a 10% discount in the description. You can use the code DOGMA. Thank you if you choose to help the channel, and let's get back into the video. Okay, wipe the excess off. Hopefully we can have a good light here. All right guys, so I think it's pretty evident where we clean and where we did not clean. Hope you guys get the idea, right? Pretty insane. All right, so let's move on to the seat. Take my Costco towel. All right, so nice 50-50 here. Don't move. I'll get you guys in right away. You see the reflection of the light from the ceiling, shiny, matte. Look at the line. All right, so check out the screen. We have a really nasty screen. One spray in the towel. That should be streak-free and super clean. Yeah, it's perfect. Pretty amazing. All right, in here we have some droplets here. I don't know what is it, but some dust, some smudges. So I'm not gonna even reapply product on my towel, just wipe this off. It's still a little bit wet. As you can see, it evaporates quickly. Give us a good factory finish. That's why I love this product so much. No dressing, no residue, no heavy cleaners or surfactant. streak-free even on the glossy trims. You don't have to go back with a wet towel to wipe off anything else. And obviously, pretty simple. Use a microfiber towel with the product, wipes the dash like the traditional way, like the old school way. The dash, if you drive mostly with your windows down, you're gonna have a lot of dust particles, but use AC and close the windows. You're not gonna have much dust unless you have Kleenex. Don't forget, if you have a box of Kleenex and you're pulling Kleenex all the times, that's gonna add dust to your interior. So that's one tip I can give you. I'm gonna try a different shot here. Maybe you can see the product works a little bit more. As you can see, there's some foaming, just a little, but if you like foam on your interior products, I'll do it. Much better than PNS Express in terms of scent, cleaning power, more versatile, less aggressive. Well, that's gonna come down to taste. All right, so this is not super dirty, guys. The door panel should not get too dirty. So we'll just use the microfiber towel to show you a different perspective. 3 sprays and simply wipe off. Love the smell. Go in the nooks and crannies. Give it a good scrub. The aluminum trim, which are satined, won't leave smudges or anything like that. Go in there, remove a layer of dust maybe. Pretty good, voila. 60 seconds, and we're good to go. By the way, guys, after speaking with DJ over at ADS, he told me that this product was made with no spared expenses and that is pH neutral. This is safe for your health. This is safe for your interior. There's nothing on the SDS that can scares you. And ADS Pilot was benchmarked against something like PNS Express. For me, it kills CarPro and Gion when it comes to interior. PNS Express is out of the question for me. The scent of ADS Pilot is out of this world. So guys, this product was made for the enthusiasts. It was made for the people with the highest standard when it comes to your interior. This product will leave a UV blocker on your plastic, and on top of that, it's gonna kill microbes, just like CarPro and Gion. This is good straight out of the bottle. You can use this product on a weekly basis without worrying about premature wear on your material. And guys, if you want to know more about my process to clean really dirty leather, I have a video here. And if you want to know more about interior products, I have a video there. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.